Fam, we're on again. It's a washer. Just gotta maneuver some stuff around here. I'll quickly do that. Oh no! There's stuff in there, man. What is this? I'll jam it in there. Okay, let's go. Let's go backwards. Oh, the foam, man. Don't do this. Okay, we did our best. Cover it up. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Sweet as. Let's go. Over here. All right. Let's get out of here. Okay, fam. They're still bringing stuff out, but check it out. That's a fridge, I think. Barbie, little mower. This bike looks cool, bro. Interceptor. Okay, let's load what we can, eh? This one's cool.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it.
Nothing.
Kids are just growing out of it.
Ah, fair enough.
So they got a new one for Christmas, so
yeah.
This one can go back out.
Nice one, bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Oh, good, man.
Okay. This one. Let's put it near the other bikes. Okay. Like that. This one. Let's check it. Oh, sounds good.
Yeah, it's got compression, it's the carby.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, good with carbies.
I know a guy. Yeah, fair enough.
And the pressure washer still works, it's just a hose thing.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll check it out. Okay. She's in there. Pressure washer. Get in there. Okay. Might leave that tangly one. This fridge though. Look at this. Take these out. Sliders. Right. Yeah. Actually, no. Oh, this is nice. Oh, they had to modify it. Put it in the back. Yeah, I think I might put that on my drawbar. I gotta.
Need a hand lifting or?
No, it should be alright. Hopefully it fits.
We pulled up at the right time because now we have space for the actual rubbish. So.
Perfect.
This is just a shed.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh well, that's not a shed.
No, baby stuff.
Sweet. Oh, apologies fam. The battery cut out at exactly the wrong time. Man, that family was so generous. They gave us stuff like this, solid stainless. This Clarion subwoofer box thing. What else did they give that I didn't capture? Got the fridge, it's a bit beat up. The little bike. Man. Oh, this pole here, this thing here, that's solid thick steel, mate. Anyway, I just pulled up at home because I'm gonna take the bikes out and the mowers, drop it off, and then we'll head out. It's still, man, it's still early, bro. It's only 11:39. Doing all right. Hey, let's do it. Fam, I got a call from my cousin. He's been really busy while I've been away. He's been hard at it. He's got a heap of stuff at the storage unit, so we're headed there now, man. I did what I had to do here, bro. But before we get to the storage unit, check it out. We've got a couple of little lonely microwaves. Oh yeah! Still got transformer for sure. For sure. Wait. Okay. What is this? This is all plastic. It's all plastic. All right, let's go. What do, cuz?
Hey!
You.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, brother.
How are you, man?
Pretty good, bro. Wow.
Pretty good.
Mate.
Yeah, we're getting there. Oh, yeah.
Bit of this, bit of that.
Bit loaded. Yeah,
Oh my
these
gosh.
tools here- they look a bit dirty now. These two work.
Yeah.
And that one, I don't know. If your man might like it.
Yeah. Oh, that's the one you sent the picture of?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That looks pretty shit, bro. Looks like a 1980 fish and pike bull type.
Oh, suss it out. Oh, and some mowers.
Yeah, no, more.
Let's go. Hey, bro, I found exactly the same bike today.
What? Like that little
Like
one?
that. Exactly.
Oh, sick. Why are they throwing it out?
They said they don't need it anymore. The kid's grown up.
Oh, this guy gave me a mad mongoose yesterday, bro.
You keeping it?
Yeah, I'm taking it. I'll see if the kid wants it. But yeah, it was a nice one. If not, he don't want it, bro. Sell it, mate.
That's it. All right. I got a bit of this, bit of that.
Yeah, not that pretty cool, right?
Bro, it's pumping out there today.
People throwing all this stuff everywhere.
There's so much stuff, man. I'm gonna go again tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Still be there, right?
Hopefully we can make it before the truck comes.